children, this is for class 2. Subject is EVS, unit is 2. So in previous class we discussed about our environment. In today's class we learn about my amazing body. The human body is an incredible machine. Our body has many parts that do different things. In this lesson covers simple movement, joints, role of sense of organ, posture, stage of growth. Now we see first one, simple movements. Movement or motion. Movement is a basic and important aspect of life. Person are moving because they change where they are from one place to another. Movements affects everything from circulation to digestion to metabolism to immunity. Children, just do the following action. Walk like an elephant, balance like a crane, hop like a frog, trot like a horse, jump like a rabbit, take short steps like a duck. Next we see joints. Our bones helps us stand up straight and give us shape. Without our bones we would be floppy. Where two or more bones meet is called a joint. Dear students, to move just your fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulder, neck, back, knee and ankle. Now you find out and share which joints can move in all directions and which joint have limited movement. Next one, role of the sense organ. Role of the sense organ are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste and touch or feel. Our senses are important because they allow us to perceive the world in which we live. Our senses work together. We most often use more than one of our senses at the same time. In that we see eyes for seeing. Sight, also referred to as vision, is our ability to see. Our eyes are sensitive to image of light. The scientific study of sight is called optics. Ears, hearing loud and soft sound. The ear is the organ of hearing and balance, our ability to perceive sounds. Next one, nose, for smelling. The nose is the body's primary organ. Air comes in the body through the nose. We breathe through two holes called nostrils. An elephant trunk is actually a long nose. Next one, tongue, for tasting. We perceive various taste and flavor like sweet, salty, sour and bitter. Tongue is muscular organ in the mouth. Next one, skin, for touching or feeling. Our skin is the largest sense organ in our body. It covers our whole body. Feel hardness, softness and sharpness, for example. Now we see posture, meaning position of the body. The position in which someone holds their body standing or sitting, that it is a particular approach or attitude. There is a correct way and incorrect way of doing various things. Always do the action in the correct manner. It is good sit on the floor. Next one, stages of growth. There are three things which makes us different from other animals in the world. We have an upright posture. We can think. We can communicate using speech. Dear children, you have grown from being a baby to 7-year-old child. You can eat on your own. You can read, write and draw. You can play many games. We all love to play games. Games are two types, indoor game and outdoor game. Indoor games like carom, chess and dayam. Outdoor games like pandi, pambaram and cricket. Okay children, I hope you understood the lesson well. Describe the laddu and name the sense organ related to it. Thank you.